Today, we're diving into the simple yet effective ways to multiply Christmas cactus. Propagating a Christmas cactus is best done during late spring and summer, aligning with the plant's natural growth cycle for optimal rooting. However, with the right conditions, you can attempt propagation at any time of the year, especially if you're in a warm, frost-free climate. Let's start with the propagation from cuttings, a popular and straightforward method. Select a healthy segment of your cactus, ensuring it's free from any signs of disease or damage. Cut a section with 3 to 4 segments, allow it to dry and form a callus. Then plant it in well-draining soil. Remember to water sparingly and place in a spot with bright, indirect light. Another method is division, ideal for when your Christmas cactus has grown considerably. Water your cactus, gently remove it from its pot, and identify natural divisions. Cut through the roots to separate the plant, and pot each new section in quality succulent soil mix. Layering offers a unique approach without cutting the plant. Bend a segment towards the soil, securing it in place. This method encourages roots to develop while the segment is still attached to the parent plant. For those who prefer a challenge, propagating from seeds is an option, though it's a slower process. Harvest seeds from mature Christmas cactus fruits or purchase them. Sow the seeds in starting mix, keeping the soil moist, and wait for germination. Lastly, water propagation is a fascinating method. Submerge the lower portion of your cuttings in non-chlorinated water. Change the water regularly, and once the roots develop, transplant them into soil. Which method do you find most intriguing? Have you tried propagating your Christmas cactus before? Share your experiences in the comments. For more tips and tricks on gardening, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep our gardens thriving. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.